You're gonna love the 2019 Volkswagen Jetta. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this Volkswagen Jetta, the compact sedan that's tastefully understated, practical, and fun to drive. Its impressive fuel efficiency, smooth ride, zesty performance, and numerous safety features make it ideal for families and commuters. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, backup camera, electronic stability control, 8-speed AT, stability control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, engine immobilizer. This Jetta offers the perfect blend of fun and practicality. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.